8.4 day 2, we're going to do more Vertex formula. So exactly like yesterday, just some that are a little more interesting. Okay, to remind you, the vertex we often call HK. H is the x coordinate, k is the y coordinate. To find h, we use the formula h equals negative b over 2a when the quadratic function is in standard form. To find k, we substitute our h value into the original equation to solve for y. Okay, we're going to do, let's look at the first one. Okay, I'm going to label my A, B, and C. You don't have to. A is -1, B is 4, C is -3. Just watch your signs. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and find H first. So H equals negative B over 2 times A. A is -1, okay? Just watch your signs, okay? -4 divided by -2 is +2. So I know the vertex is 2 comma something. I'm going to put the 2 comma so I don't forget. Okay, now I want to find the y value for the function or the k value. I'm going to write k equals, some people like to write y equals here, and I'm fine with that too. Okay, we're going to plug in very carefully. Okay, negative. Where the x is, we plug in 2. The 2 goes in parentheses, but not the negative. 4x minus 3. Okay, order of operations, you have to do the exponent first, so I'm going to do the exponent first. The negative is not part of the exponent. So the negative is just staying there. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 4 times 2 plus 8. Minus 3. So -4 plus 8 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So the y coordinate of the vertex is 1. So the vertex is 2 comma 1, and it should always be written as an ordered pair. Let's try the next one. Okay, A is 1 because it's 1x squared. B is 8 for 8x. C is the number at the end, but there's no number at the end. So C is 0. H equals negative B over 2 times A. Okay, -8 divided by 2 is -4. So the vertex is -4 comma something. To get the y coordinate, we take our x coordinate of the vertex and plug it in the original equation. Okay, and again, some of you like to write y equals. I don't mind that. I'm going to write k equals. Write y equals. Okay, I'm plugging -4 in. So x squared. Since the x value is -4, the -4 is in the parentheses. On the previous problem, the x value was just +2, so only the 2 in the parentheses. And yes, it makes a difference. Plus 8x. Okay, the reason it makes a difference is because when I square this, -4 times -4, negative times negative is +16. Minus 32, which is -16. So my vertex is -4 comma -16. Let's try 2 more. Okay, for C, A is 2, because I see it 2x squared. B is the number that's with the x, but there's no x term, so B is 0. C is -7. So 2x squared minus, and there's a 0x, and there's a -7. Okay, H equals negative B divided by 2 times A. Okay, now if I do -0, that's just 0. If I do 0 divided by 4, I'm going to get 0. So if you just write 0, that's fine with me. I'm going to show a step. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and plug it back in the original equation. So 2 times x squared minus 7, and only the x goes in the parentheses. Okay, if I do the exponent first, that's 2 times 0. 0 is 0, so I get -7. So my vertex is 0, comma negative 7. Okay, we're going to look at the original to see that makes sense. We didn't have to use this formula on this. This could have just gone down 7, and the vertex would have been 0, down 7. Okay, one more together. A is 1/2. B is minus 4 because it's minus 4x. C is 6. Okay, we're not going to freak out about the fraction. We're just going to plug it in. Okay, negative b. Well, b is negative 4. So you get negative 4. If you know it's going to switch to positive 4, just change it to positive 4 over 2 times a. And still, don't freak out. Okay, negative 4 is positive 4. If you didn't already change it now. Okay, now what's half of 2? What's 2 times half? Half of 2, it's 1. So 4 divided by 1 is just 4. So don't freak out about the fraction. It comes out nicely most of the time. Okay, now we do have to plug it back in. You can do y equals or k equals 1/2. Then when I get to the x, I put only the 4 in parentheses. 1/2 x squared minus 4 times x plus 6. Okay, order of operations, we do the exponent first. Okay, so keep the half out there. Don't freak out about it. It'll come out nicely. Half of 4 times 4, half of 16 minus 16 plus 6. Okay, what's half times 16? What's half of 16? 8. 8 minus 16 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. So my ordered pair is 4, comma, negative 2. Okay, go ahead and try the practice on the back. Answers are at the bottom.